Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jamal. Hope you guys are all doing well. Now, today in this video, we're going to be removing the rear applique and rear emblem in order to have it blacked out. Now, this is kind of going along with my last video. This is actually a continuation of the last video where we actually removed the front grille surround and the front grille emblem off to have those blacked out. And so going along with that theme, we're going to be blacking out this rear applique here, the rear Cadillac emblem here. We're going to do the rear V emblem. We have a replacement one for that. And then we also have replacement black CTS lettering as well. So in this video we're going to be going over the procedure on how to remove this rear applique and the rear emblem. These I'm going to do on my own. I've made plenty of videos on how to take emblems off before. You basically heat it up, take a fishing line, and kind of floss the emblems off. So that's a pretty straightforward process there. But we're going to go ahead and remove this stuff today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So as you guys can see, I've already went ahead and pulled off the V emblem there. And one thing I did was I actually taped around the emblem so that whenever I put the black one back on, I know exactly where that emblem was. And so once I clean the adhesive off, it would be hard to tell normally, but since I taped it off, I can just kind of set it into that outline of the emblem. And then I did the same thing here with this rear Cadillac emblem. I taped it off so that it'll go straight on the line, and then you can see my two arrows I put on there with a Sharpie so I can tell where the points or the ends of the emblem rest. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some heat and pull the Cadillac emblem off. So now that we've got the rear emblem removed, we can go ahead and pop the trunk and work on taking this back part apart here. So basically we're going to have to pull this carpet down and feed the latch through, pull this off, and then once we get that down, it'll give us access to the back of that applique, and it's just held on there with 4 bolts. And we should be able to pull it out. So before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and pull these license plate lights out. This little piece is held in there with a 7mm nut. And now we should be able to start working it out. There's a bunch of clips that you have to pop out. Boom. Alright, now that we've got the cover off, we've got to pop this electrical connector here. Stick our trim removal tool in there. Boom. Connector disconnected. There's two 7mm bolts that are in here behind the license plate lights that are held in that need to be undone. That side comes out. Fish this through, and we're free. So it was those two bolts that were held in there behind the license plate lights that were preventing me from getting it out, but we've got it out now. Alrighty guys, so as you can see here, we've got the rear applique off, we've got the rear emblem off, we've taken this one off as well. We'll take this one off later, but that's going to go ahead and do it for this video. I'm going to take that stuff in for paint. I hope you guys did learn something. That piece was pretty straightforward aside from those two little screws that I forgot behind the license plate light, but it came right off. We're going to leave that together and we're going to let them deal with that, taking that silver piece off of the actual plastic piece that it connects to, but they'll get that taken care of. So anyways, please comment any questions you have, like the video, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.